Hello guys, this is Pavel Oskarov from Laravel Daily Team and another casual video about project management, delivering projects successfully, developing, coding and stuff like that. And today I want to talk about productivity and productive work. I've noticed myself a little something about myself, my own routine, which I want to share, and maybe it will stick with you as well. So recently I've found myself working in batches, just unintentionally, just working an hour here, an hour there. So sometimes from the office, sometimes from the coffee shop, sometimes from home. It's mostly related to family schedule. So sometimes I have to drive my wife to work or my daughter to nursery, to kindergarten, to some playground, maybe to some doctor or something. And I'm on the road most of the time, most of the day. I do work 8 hours a day, like in if you count that, but I work in batches of 1 hour or 2 hours, something like that. And I've noticed that I became really productive there. So if I know that I have only 1 hour or only 1.5 hours just in a coffee shop or in the office, then I focus on the most important things. So I tend not to end up on Facebook, Twitter, or YouTube or wherever. I tend to work because I know that my time is limited. And also my brain is then really focused and fresh and energetic, and I can do much more things where I have like pieces of rest, like that driving or lunch or something like that. I get away from computer or from my phone for half an hour or an hour, and then I get back much more energetic. So this is the practice of myself, of my own life, but in theory there are multiple theories about such productive work. One of them is called Pomodoro technique. You can Google that, Pomodoro. It's from Italy, I think. And the theory says that you have to schedule your work in batches by 25 minutes or different number. It varies from different theory like versions, but usually 25 minutes you work on something in a really focused way, and then 5 minutes you get rest. So 25 plus 5, and then you work in batches by 30 minutes. And at some point, I think every 3 Pomodoros, so one 25-minute batch is called Pomodoro, and every 3 Pomodoros you get a bigger break of 15 minutes or half an hour. So something like that. Just the time frames are different for different people, I guess. Some people are more productive for 45 minutes, and that's the reason why school duration of the class is 45 minutes or 90 minutes, because 90 minutes for students usually, at least in Europe from what I know. That's the reason, that's how much time the brain and the person can actually stay productive and focused. More than that, it's then downtime. So if you find yourself working kind of in the zone for a few hours or more, it is possible, but then at some point you will get really tired and you won't be able to focus anymore for the rest of the day. So get yourself some rest, and I kind of advise you to schedule and to batch your work into pieces of 1 hour or something. That really works well for me recently, and that also allows you to maybe drive around or change your workplace or like do some effective breaks, go outside between that hour, and yeah, then you stay productive. So that typical 8-hour workday or 9-hour workday, wherever you work, depend on the country. It doesn't have to be in one go. It can be like in batches, 1 hour or so, as I said. So that's my tip of the day. How do you schedule your 8-hour work day? Please comment in YouTube comments and let's discuss. Maybe you will find something else that works for you better, or maybe you agree with my theory. What do you think? So see you in the next videos, guys.